My voice is kind of squeaky. Here's a second.
Hello! Hey, where's Penelope?
That's not my real voice. I'm just trying to act like Oliver.
Yeah, you guys broke my arm. Now it's time for some payback. Yeah, time for payback.
I'll go get it. No.
Yeah.
I don't want to
Yeah,
die.
Penelope.
I don't
You
wanna
gotta
die.
get the big shoe and smash them to the death. All right, I'll hold them down and you smash them.
Hey, no, we can't hurt them. I thought we were just going to put them in to make them smell it, because it's very, I smell it.
Well, that's not enough torture.
Yes,
They
it is.
broke my arm.